world fraught with confusion, one man will break his silence.
Hello, I'm Paul Duncan, also known as Mr. Moderator. Before we get started today, I'd like to remind you to press that like, subscribe, and ring that little bell so that you don't miss out on any of the content we're doing this month on moderating. And with that, let's get into today's question. Today's question comes from a content creator, and it's, how many moderators do I need? The answer to that question is, it's totally up to you. I have been on some streams where there have been no moderators, and it is an absolute zoo. The content creator looks stressed. They're trying to deal with comments, answering things. It's just, they look like they're about ready to pull their hair out and that they're not having fun. And what you need to understand is a moderator can be your friend. And you can have as many moderators as you need, because your moderators are not always going to be on all of your streams. So if you only have one moderator and they're not going to be there for one time, you have nobody. So you want to have a supply of moderators. And remember, you're in control. If you make somebody a moderator and they don't work out, you can take it back. So if you have somebody on your channel that has been very interactive, engaging with the rest of the chat and things like that, and that you feel comfortable with, make them a moderator. Like I said, you can always take it back if you change your mind, whatever, but have a supply of moderators that you're always covered on all of your streams. Moderators can be a lifesaver. They're going to deal with chat. They're going to deal with all the spam messages coming in, all that type of stuff. They're going to help control the audience, field some questions for you, lots of things like that. And that all you have to do is deliver the content that you've created to your audience and engage with your audience and communicate back and forth with them. You don't have to worry about all that other stuff going on, because your moderators are going to take care of that for you. So the answer to the question is, have as many as you want. If you're one of those people that like to do it all yourself and you don't need anybody, that's your choice. If that's the way you fly, more power to you. Have fun. But I guarantee you, if you have some moderators on your team, you are going to be so much more relaxed and enjoying your stream so much more. So hopefully that's answered your question for today. Again, if you have any questions, you want me to delve deeper into a topic, or you have a topic that you want me to cover, please put it in the comments below and we'll take care of it in one of the future streams. If it's something really involved and we need to kind of dig into it, we can do a live session and we can dig into that together. So again, I want to thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you on the next stream.